Hello, good morning everybody. My dear students, good morning everybody. I am Ramurthy from DVSIT Kavali, Chemistry Department. Already I will be explaining the structure, bonding models and subunit of molecular orbital theory. Molecular orbital theory explained last class, and remaining balance of energy level diagram of carbon monoxide molecule. Already hydrogen molecule, helium molecule and oxygen molecule is over. Energy level diagram of hydrogen molecule, energy level diagram of helium molecule, energy level diagram of oxygen molecules I will explain the last class. Remaining balance of subunit energy level diagram of carbon monoxide molecule. Carbon monoxide molecules. Today I will be explaining the carbon monoxide molecules in molecular orbital theory. So first one, two atoms combination carbon monoxide. Different atoms, not only same type of atoms but different carbon and oxygen combination to form carbon monoxide is a heterodiatomic structure, heterodiatomic molecular orbitals. So carbon, atomic number of carbon is 6. The electron configuration of carbon atom is 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz0. So 6 electrons atomic number of carbon, and another oxygen atomic number is 8. The electron configuration of oxygen atom is 1s2, 2s2, 2p61, 2py1, 2pz1. So that is the electronic configuration of oxygen atom is 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. So the total number of electrons present in carbon molecule is 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. 8 is carbon atom and 8 is oxygen atom and 6 is carbon atom. Totally carbon monoxide molecule number of electrons is 40. So the molecular electronic configuration of carbon monoxide is sigma 1s2 less than sigma star 1s2 less than sigma 2s2 less than sigma star 2s2 less than pi 2px2 equal pi 2py2 less than 2pz2 less than 5 star 2px0 equal to 5 star 2py0 less than sigma 2pz0. You see, bond order of carbon molecules, bond order of carbon monoxide molecule. So bond order is 1/2 number of bonding electrons minus number of anti-bonding electrons. So 1/2 to 10 minus 4 is equal to 3. In carbon monoxide molecule, 2 covalent bonds and 1 dative bond are present in between the carbon and oxygen atoms. Carbon monoxide molecules contain paired electrons in 2py and pi 2pz orbitals. So it is show of diamagnetic nature. So carbon monoxide molecular orbitals is exhibit diamagnetic nature and is the pair of electrons in carbon monoxide molecular orbitals. So that effect will be exhibit diamagnetic nature. So once again the level of energy level of carbon monoxide molecule. So carbon atomic number is 6, electron configuration of carbon atom is 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz0. The atomic number of oxygen is 8. Electronic configuration of oxygen atom is 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. The total number of electrons present carbon monoxide molecules is 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. 6 is carbon, 8 is oxygen. Total is electrons 14. So the molecular electronic configuration of carbon monoxide is sigma 1s2 less than sigma star 1s2, less than sigma 2s2 less than sigma star 2s2, less than pi 2p x2 equal pi 2p y2, less than 2p z2 less than 5 star 2p x0 is equal to 5 star 2p y0 less than 2p z0. 0 means no electrons in the orbitals. Bond order of molecules of carbon monoxide is 1 by 2 number of bonding electrons. Number of bonding electrons means bonding orbitals filled up of electrons is called bonding electrons. For example, sigma 1s2, sigma 2s2, that is the bonding electrons. Sigma star 1s2, pi star px2 is the anti-bonding electrons. So that is this bonding order is 1 by 2 number of bonding electrons minus number of anti-bonding electrons, that is equal to 1 by 2. 10 minus 4 is equal to 3. That is the bonding order is 3. Bonding order is 3. In carbon monoxide molecule, 2 covalent bonds and 1 dative bond are present in between the carbon and oxygen atoms. Carbon monoxide molecule contain a paired electrons in 2p y and 5 2py and pi 2p z orbitals. So it shows the diamagnetic nature. So at the same time, level of energy diagram. So this is the level of energy diagram. One side is atomic orbital of carbon, another side is atomic orbital of, this is the atomic orbital of oxygen, molecular orbital of carbon monoxide. So first one, atomic s level, 1s level, sigma 1s level, that is the atomic orbital of carbon. One electron goes to sigma orbitals, molecular orbitals. At the same time, atomic orbital of oxygen, one electron goes to join the molecular orbital of 1s, sigma 1s. So 2 electrons pair of sigma 1s2. So at the same time, sigma star 1s2. Second level is 2s orbitals, atomic is carbon 2s orbitals, oxygen 2s orbitals. So 4 electron goes to sigma 1s2 and at the same time sigma star 1s2. So 4 electrons is filled the sigma 1s2 orbitals and at the same time 5 star 2s2 orbitals. So that is the completed of 2s molecular orbital, sigma 2s2 molecular orbitals. Next one is the p orbitals, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz0 at the carbon atomic orbitals. At the same time, atomic orbital of oxygen, 2px2, 2py1, 2px1. So this side, atomic orbital of oxygen side is the 4 electrons, atomic orbital of carbon side is 2 electrons only. So 2 electrons and 4 electrons combination to field of molecular orbitals of pi. So pi 2px2, pi 2py2, pi 2px2, that is the 2 orbitals full the full electrons. At the same time sigma 2py2. So 5 star 2px, 5 star 2py and sigma 2pz is unfilled of the electrons. So this is the level of level diagram of carbon monoxide. This is the, so bonding electrons, count the bonding electrons. This is 2, 2, 4, 4, 4, 8 and 8 is 2, 10 electrons. This is the anti-bonding electrons. This is a 2 sigma star 1s2 2 sigma star 2s2 2 is a 4 electron. 10 minus 4 6 1 by 2 3 bond order is 3. So this is the energy level diagram of carbon monoxide. Is a hetero diatomic structure. So this is the carbon monoxide molecular orbital theory is over. Next, another one. You see, arrange the species of O2, O2 minus, O2, 2 minus, O2 plus the decreasing order of the bond order and stability, and also indicate their magnetic properties. Indicate their magnetic properties. So that is the very important level of the question also. That is the first, the molecular orbital configuration of O2, O2 minus, O2, 2 minus, O2 plus are as follows. Is O2 sigma 1, sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2px2, pi 2p x2 equal to pi 2p y2, 5 star 2p x1 equal to 5 star 2p y1. That is the first oxygen molecular orbitals. Bond order. There is a bond order is 2. Number of unpaired electrons 2. Therefore, paramagnetic nature in exhibit the O2 molecular orbitals. At the same time, O2 minus sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2px2, pi 2px2, pi 2p y2, pi star 2p x2 equal to 5 star 2p y1. Bond order is 1.5. Number of unpaired electrons only 1. Therefore, paramagnetic nature. And another one, O2 2 minus sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2p x2, pi 2p x2 equal to pi 2p y2, pi star 2p x2 equal to pi star 2p y2. Bond order is 1 and the number of bonding electrons 10 minus number of anti-bonding electrons 8 is equal to bond order is 1. Number of unpaired electrons 0. Therefore, diamagnetic is a full pair of electrons in the orbitals. So that is called diamagnetic nature. And last one is O2 plus sigma 1s2. O2 plus means is no electrons off. One electron loss of electrons is plus charge. So O2 plus sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2px2, pi 2px2 equal to pi 2p y2, pi star 2p x1 is equal to 5 star 2p y0. Bond order, number of bonding electrons 10 and anti-bonding electrons 5. Totally is equal to 2.5 number of unpaired electrons. One unpaired electron, number of unpaired electrons 1. Therefore, paramagnetic. The bond order decrease in the order is O2 greater than, O2 minus greater than, O2 greater than, and O2, first O2 plus greater than, O2 greater than, O2 minus greater than, O2 2 minus. So we conclude the stability is directly proportional to bond order. That is over. So is an important question. And another one is molecular orbitals of 1,3-butadiene is very important. Last year is given by the main exams of is a molecular orbitals of 1,3-butadiene. Molecular orbital of 1,3-butadiene. The formula of 1,3-butadiene already 1,3-butadiene is formula number of times repeat this organic chemistry also. So CH2 double bond, CH single bond, CH double bond, CH2, that is called 1,3-butadiene. It contains two double bonds that are conjugated. So 1,3-butadiene molecule, each carbon atom as follows in sp2 hybridized, leaving one electron in unhybridized p orbital because of, that is a must and should, is 1,3-butadiene in molecule, each carbon atom as follows in sp2 hybridization system. So one is one electron in unhybridized p orbitals. So this is the this is the diagram. This diagram, see that the diagram 1 2 3 4 4 carbons. This one is 1 2 3 4 carbons. 4 carbons is formation of 4 p orbitals. 4 p orbitals. That is the hybridization of sp2 hybridization of 4 orbitals. This one is the p orbitals, 2 3 4 p orbitals. And so a 1,3-butadiene structure contains 4 pi electrons. 5 electrons is 4 p orbitals. The p orbitals, formation of pi electrons. 4 p orbitals in 4 pi electrons form. They are produced 4 molecular orbitals. That is 2 bonding molecular orbitals, pi 1, pi 2, and 2 anti-bonding orbitals, 5 star 3, 5 star 4. That is the 1,3-butadiene is contain 4 pi electrons in 4 p orbitals. They are produced 4 molecular orbitals, that is 2 bonding molecular orbitals. Anytime will be 5 pi 1, pi 2 is the bonding orbitals and 2 anti-bonding orbitals. 5 star 3, 5 star 4 is the anti-bonding orbitals. Okay, Nana? And another one is the lowest energy molecules. The lowest energy molecular orbitals contains no nodal planes. One of the bonding molecular orbitals, BMO, bonding molecular orbitals, contain a single nodal plane, and one of the anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Anti-bonding molecular orbitals is ABMO. So contains 2 nodal planes, while the highest energy molecular orbitals contain 3 nodal planes. So that the pi molecular orbitals of 1,3-butadiene is follows. 1,3-butadiene is follows. So this is the mode of 1,3-butadiene. First one is a mode of nodes 3 and bonding in 0 and anti-bonding space of 3. That is the 3-4 bonds. This is the, you see that of figure, this pi orbitals, pi electrons, 1, 2 pi electrons, 3 pi electrons, opposite direction of orbitals by the pi bonding. Another 2, this is the 5 star 4 and this is the 5 star 3. So this is one side of 4 pi electrons, pi bonds formation of each side. That is the upper side of the pi bonds or lower side of the pi bonds. Nodes is only 2. This is the node. This is the node. Nodes of 2. So next one, HOMO, pi 2. Pi 2 means bonding orbitals. Nodes 1. That is the, so this one side of one node and this side of no nodes. So HOMO. And pi 1 bonding. So nodes 0 and is only bond order indicated 3. So one is 1, 2, 3, 4. That's bonds. Upper side is formation of pi electron bondings only. That is the pi 1. So this is the structure of or the mode of 1,3-butadiene structures. So it's very important. And from the above diagram, 1,3-butadiene molecule contains pair of electrons, so that it shows of diamagnetic nature. This is the diamagnetic nature. And the relative energies of these orbitals can be accounted for by counting the number of bonding and anti-bonding interaction, each one as follows. So pi1 has bonding interaction between carbon 1 to carbon 2, carbon 2 to carbon 3, and carbon 3 to carbon 4 is formation of bonding. And overall is equal to 3 bonding interactions. And pi2 has bonding interaction between carbon 1 to carbon 2 and carbon 3 to carbon 4, but anti-bonding between carbon 2 between carbon 3. So that is the overall is bonding, one bonding interaction. So 5 star 3 has bonding interaction between carbon 2 carbon 3, but anti-bonding between carbon 1 to carbon 2 and carbon 3 to carbon 4. Overall is a bonding, one anti-bonding interaction. Pi star 4 has anti-bonding interaction between carbon 1 to carbon 2, carbon 2, carbon 3 and carbon 3, carbon 4. So overall 3 anti-bonding interaction. Overall 3 anti-bonding interaction. Anti-bonding interaction. So 5 star 4 has anti-bonding interaction between carbon 1 to carbon 2, carbon 2, carbon 3 and carbon 3, carbon 4. Overall 3 anti-bonding interactions. So that is the bonding structure. Another one is pi molecular orbital of benzene. 5 molecular orbitals of benzene. The formula of benzene is C6H6. 5 molecular orbitals of benzene. The formula of benzene is C6H6. In benzene molecule, each carbon atom as follows: sp2 hybridized, leaving 1 electron in unhybridized p orbital because of this one benzene C6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 carbons. Benzene is a C6H6 hybrid, sp2 hybridized, but 1 electron in unhybridized p orbital, that is this one. And so benzene structure contains 6 pi electrons. This is the benzene contain 6 pi electrons in p orbitals. They are produced 6 molecular orbitals, 1 carbon, 1 pi electron in 6 pi electrons in 6 p orbitals. So they are produced 6 molecular orbitals, and 1 electron is produced the 1 molecular orbitals, that is 3 bonding molecular orbitals, pi 1, pi 2, pi 3, and 3 anti-bonding orbitals, 5 star 1, 5 star 4, 5 star 5, 5 star 6. Total is 6 electrons. One is the 3 bonding molecular orbitals. First 3 is the bonding molecular orbitals. Remaining balance 3 anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Bonding molecular orbitals just like as pi 1, pi 2, pi 3. And anti-bonding orbitals 5 star 4, 5 star 5, 5 star 6. The lowest energy molecular orbitals contains number of nodal planes, 2 bonding moleculars. So the lowest energy molecular orbitals contains number of nodal planes, 2 bonding moleculars. 2 bonding moleculars. Orbitals, molecular orbitals, that is 3 bonding molecular orbitals, pi 1, pi 2, pi 3, and 3 anti-bonding orbitals, 5 star 4, 5 star 5, 5 star 6. The lowest energy molecular orbitals contains number of nodal planes, 2 bonding molecular orbitals, contain single nodal plane, 2 anti-bonding molecular orbitals, contain 2 nodal planes, while the highest energy anti-molecular orbitals contains 3 nodal planes. So that the pi molecular orbitals of benzene is follows. Once see that this is the is the mode of benzene. So this is the different types of nodes 3, nodes 2, nodes 1, nodes 0. That is the different types of 6 pi electrons and produce of 6 molecular orbitals. Is the one is first one, pi 1, pi 2, pi 3. Pi 1, pi 2, pi 3. This is the pi 1. This one is the pi 1, pi 2, pi 3. Is the bonding molecular orbitals. And at the same time 5 star 4, 5 star 5, 5 star 6. This is the anti-bonding orbitals. This is 3 bonding molecular orbitals of benzene. This one is the pi 1, pi 2, pi 3. So nodes 1 and nodes 0. And another one is the anti-bonding orbitals. This is a 5 star 4, 5 star 5, 5 star 6. This is 3. These are anti-bonding molecular orbitals. So totally 3 bonding orbitals and 3 anti-bonding orbitals. That is the ones. And from the above diagram, benzene molecules contains pair electrons so that it show diamagnetic nature. The number of nodes is directly proportional to the energy level. Nodes is proportional to energy. Similarly, the number of nodes is inversely proportional to the stability of molecules. Nodes is proportional to 1 by stability. So that is the important questions. Yes, important questions of this unit. This last one is the important questions of this unit. One is the explain the Planck quantum theory is very important. Explain the Planck quantum theory. Another one is the describe dual nature of matter. Already I will explain the describe dual nature of matter. And third one, derive the Schrodinger wave equation. Write the significance of psi and psi square. Psi and psi square is very important question, and Schrodinger equation also. What are the main points of molecular orbital theory? Calculate the bond order of helium plus molecule. Explain the MOED of oxygen molecules. And MOED means molecular orbitals energy diagram of oxygen molecules. And discuss the molecular orbital diagram of carbon monoxide molecule and explain its magnetic characters and bond order. 7th one, discuss the energy level diagram of pi molecular orbitals of 1,3-butadiene. Draw the energy level diagram of pi molecular orbitals of benzene. Pi molecular orbitals of benzene. So today I will be explain the level diagram of carbon monoxide, and another one is the very important of configuration of orbital level, and 1,3-butadiene as 1,3-butadiene diagrams level energy level diagram for 1,3-butadiene, and another one is 1,3 and benzene level of energy level diagram of benzene, and important questions. So today I will be explain the 3 parts is over. So another part will be next to 2nd unit. I will be started the another day. So okay Nana, bye.